Hi guys, I hope you all are having a fantastic day or evening. It's evening here. Today is August 11th, which is Tuesday. Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know I had some technical issues. That would be the reason why it is now being published. I did receive my box on August 11th, and I'm sorry about that, but sometimes the computers decide to do whatever they want to do. So, Ipsy Plus changed a bit. They did more of a personalization where you get to pick 3 of the products and then they choose the other 2 for you. That must not have fit. Okay. They've really got to do something about taping these correctly. My thought. Got a little card. The future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. From achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. The future's in your hands with a Glam Bag Plus that is even more personalized by you, and it looks epic. And then it just gives me some information on buzzy new trends. Just information on it. Ipsy picked 2. I picked 3 of my 5 items. Anyway, at the bottom of this bag is the 111 skin. So this is the 111 skin. It's the Cryo ATP Sports Booster. And let me get a description on this. Let's find out what this retails for. Wow. Okay, this is a 20 ml bottle, so let's take a peek. We might as well just open the bottom of the box. Oh, it's a pretty bottle. Not that that means anything. So this is a 20 ml bottle, and it retails for $135, which is quite expensive for less than an ounce. But the ultimate secret weapon for days when your skin is looking tired and meh, this Energizing Serum Booster. That's exactly what it says, so I'm trying to make sure it makes sense. Forget coffee. The highly concentrated formula revs up your skin cells and encourages the flow of oxygen to make your complexion look instantly more wide awake and glowy. Rough texture, dullness, and large pores, yarrow extract helps fix them all. It's the perfect skin treatment for after that sweat sesh. A few drops will prolong that fresh and flushed post-workout glow. Okay. It says to shake well to wake up the active ingredients. Then apply 3 drops directly to cleansed skin before moisturizer. To help perk up your complexion, it can be used both morning and night, before your serum, or after a workout. I don't work out. That sounds bad, I know it. There's not a lot of different things I can do. So I do lift a little bit of my little weights here at home, and I do walk a lot. So let's go ahead and get some. It's going to apply 1 drop. That's not bad. It sinks right into the skin. That's nice. It's fast absorbing. It smells like, I don't smell an artificial ingredient, like an artificial fragrance. I smell more of a botanical type. I'm going to obviously use it. I opened it, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are. If I don't use it in a video, like a get ready with me video, I definitely will give you my thoughts and opinions on that product when I do when I do my follow-up video at the end of the month. Okay, so again, I don't know why that wasn't in the bag, but these were, and they now give you this little, like, it's kind of like a knapsack, I would say. It's cute. I actually don't mind this. Next is this Laura Geller Cajal Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze. I want to say something about this picking products out. Some of the choices I wasn't overly fond of. I'm going to continue getting this and see how I like it. I can't even remember what I had to choose from, but I know I wasn't impressed, and I should have written that all down when I was doing my choosing. This retails for $22, and it's time you take a break from basic black and switch things up with this bronze Cajal eyeliner. Think of it as a neutral, but with a little more oomph. This soft kohl formula is designed to glide on smoothly and blend out like butter, thanks to a dose of moisturizing vitamin E. When it comes to color payoff, this liner's intensity cannot be beat. Each time you swipe it on, you'll get a hit of rich, bronzy shimmer. Even though the texture is creamy, this pencil won't smudge or smear. The long-wearing formula is in it for the long haul. Want precise lines? The sharpener at the end will help you keep your tip on point at all times. Let's see what this looks like. At least Ipsy has probably listened to the subscribers, because a lot of us were getting a little flustered with, continuously getting black eyeliners. So this is kind of nice. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'll put on this hand. It's a pretty color. I'll let you know how this works. I'm just going to let this dry down for a minute, and then we'll see if it moves. So I'll move on to the next item. And this item, it's from Beauty for Real. And these are 2 of the shadow sticks, 24/7 eyeshadow duo in Midnight Marathon and Ever Starstruck. Retail value for these is $38. The description: meet the easiest eyeshadow ever. Seriously. These creamy shadow sticks apply in seconds. No brushes or technique needed. Swipe Midnight Marathon, a reflective topaz shade, or Ever Starstruck, a shimmery champagne, over your lids for a flattering color that lasts all day. The pencils are super creamy for smooth application and blending. But don't worry, they're also long wearing and waterproof. So once again, they're on. So once they're on, they're on. No extra tools needed. The built-in sharpener helps you keep the tip fine for any precision work you want to do. Oh, and did we mention the shadow is also infused with meadow foam seed oil and chamomile to hydrate, soothe, and calm the delicate skin around your eyes. Major bonus. Beauty for Real is about being authentically yourself, and yes, keeping it real in life and in your makeup. Their line of Tired and True beauty essentials and long-wearing formulas are made with skin-loving, cruelty-free, paraben-free ingredients that enhance, never dull, your skin's natural glow. And these pencils can come in handy if you're in a rush. I have several from Laura Mercier. I don't have any brown colors though. And I am not going to swatch these, nor am I going to open them. I am going to put this in for a giveaway bin. I have the shadow sticks. They're easy for that, but I have quite a bit of makeup right now. And I love my Laura Mercier ones, but I hardly reach from it. I'm usually just working with a palette. So this is going to go in the giveaway bin. Next, and this is what my choice. I chose to get this Watermelon Burst setting powder, and this is from Ciate of Ciate, London. Again, I really don't know what the Postal Service does. The case is really cute. Here is what the powder looks like. It does have a faint watermelon scent. So retails for $28. Gone are the days of pressed powders that make your skin feel dry and look cakey. This one is made with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid to draw moisture to your skin for all-day hydration. No more makeup meltdowns. This powder sets into a weightless, second skin finish that prolongs the wear of your foundation and concealer. It is infused with antioxidant-rich vitamin E to help protect skin from environmental aggressors like damaging pollution and blue light. Light reflecting pigments give this sheer translucent powder a hint of shimmer. As soon as you brush it on your skin, you will be left with a gorgeous, healthy glow. And I have to say that I've been rather impressed with Ciate London's recent releases. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. It feels very nice. I'm excited to use this one. This is $28 and it kind of feels like my Charlotte Tilbury one that I'm almost out of and contemplating whether or not to replenish because I like it. So I'm going to use this and see if I like it better than that, and hopefully I do. Really quick before I go to the next product, let's see. Try to smudge this. I'll be darned. It moves a little bit, but I am having to put a lot of pressure, and that's more pressure than anybody would put on their eye. Very little. So that Laura Geller eyeliner, so far so good. The last item I got, because they don't have enough palettes, and the last thing, and I did choose this one as well, and this is Estate Cosmetics, I believe. Yeah, Estate Cosmetics and Bailey Sarian. If I said that wrong, I do apologize. And this is the Venice Fleen eyeshadow palette. It's a 9-pan palette. Retails for $30. And this is what the palette looks like. These are very big pans. I'm not going to swatch it. The colors are beautiful. So I'm going to leave this up to you guys. If you want me to do a look or two with this palette, let me know in the comments. And I'll do swatches, of course, if I do an eye look or looks. Just let me know. Or I will throw it in the giveaway bin. I don't recall ever using any of these eyeshadows from Estate, but like I said, I have a lot of eyeshadows, but if this is something you want me to do some looks on, I absolutely will. So now if my calculations are correct, this bag is worth $253, which is far above the $120 they guarantee. Like I said, it's, you know, this whole thing is relatively new with picking 3 and then picking 2. So I'm going to give it a couple months to kind of see if I'm enjoying this, or if I think that the choices are, you know, things I want. And I'll let you know about that. So at least a couple more months with the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I will do a video at some point with me using that powder. Like I said, I'm going to try and use that instead of my Charlotte Tilbury one. It's almost empty anyway, but I'm going to use that and see if I like that one better, and then I can let you know how that one works. Let you know about the skin serum and the Laura Geller color. I am going to keep this in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus until I do my follow-up video. Just to reiterate to anybody who may not have seen the opening, that this is going in a giveaway bin. So this one's going in giveaway. You guys make a choice. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you want that eyeshadow palette, if you want me to do looks with it, or if you would rather me throw it into the giveaway bin. So choice is yours. Anyway, you guys, I want to thank you for clicking on and watching this video. There are so many other things you could be doing, and I truly appreciate it. You guys mean the world to me. I know I say that every time, probably like, Misty, stop. But you really do. I love getting the actions. I love getting, I love having the interactions with each and every one of you. I try to always answer my comments. So if there's ever any questions, leave me a comment. Or, you know, if you're wondering about a product or anything, you guys can leave me a comment. As long as it's not like a derogatory one, I'm good with it. Anyway, if you don't mind, why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And then again, down in the comments, let me know about that eyeshadow palette. Anyway, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Much love.